We tying flies today, or we tying flies? What's up, everybody? Jesse Mails here, BackwaterFlyFishing.com. One thing before we get going, something that would really help me out is if you guys would stop what you're doing and smash that subscribe button. Like, for real. Hit the button to subscribe to my channel. You should do it now. I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you to subscribe so that you're caught up and you're paying attention. It takes forever for these people to subscribe. I've been doing this for 5 years. 5 years I've been on YouTube. Nobody subscribes. Pretty much nobody. Yeah. How many do you have? Yeah. Okay, you guys ready? Alright, today we're gonna be tying a really cool shrimp fly that uses a unique weed guard that you don't see too often in these types of patterns, but it works really well. It's a super light fly. It's gonna land soft. It's great for spooky fish. It's actually one of these crossovers I've been doing. Redfish, bonefish. Right in the good spot in between. And these flies work super, super well for clear water scenarios. So let's check it out. So there you go, guys. Not too hard to tie, and it comes out looking really, really clean. If you guys like the video, obviously you've subscribed because of the beginning of the video where I told everybody to subscribe. So we're not going to go over that again, but if you did subscribe because you like my content, be sure to check us out at our Patreon page, Backwater Fly Fishing. Become a member there. You're going to help support this channel and future content, as well as get access to exclusive content that is already on Patreon. Almost 45 posts now on there. And you win prizes. You have a chance at winning, a pretty good chance, really 1 out of 100, a trip to come to Costa Rica to fish with me, Machaca, do a bunch of jungle stuff. You know the drill. So go check that out. Leave a comment below, yada, yada, yada. You know how to use YouTube, and I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.